Hey there, welcome to our YouTube video where we tackle an interesting problem related to designated initializers for unions in C++11. So let's dive right into it. The problem we're facing is that designated initializers for unions are supposed to be a C++20 feature, but surprisingly, we can still compile code using designated initializers in C++11. It seems like a bit of a contradiction, right? How can we use a feature from a future version in an older one? Now, let's explore the solution to this intriguing problem. C introduced designated initializers to the language, which many C++ compilers adopted and allowed in non-strict conformance mode. Eventually, C++ incorporated this feature with some limitations, like requiring initializers to be in order. To prevent such extensions, you can tell your compiler to use strict conformance with options like pedantic and wearer. Remember, compilers like GCC aim to compile valid programs, but they may not reject all invalid ones. In summary, we've discussed how designated initializers for unions, a feature from C++20, can still be used in C++11 due to historical reasons and compiler behavior. By understanding the origins and implications of designated initializers, you can navigate these nuances in C++ development. That's all for today, folks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Until next time, happy coding!